It's Friday, and you know what that means. Our dessert diva, Danette Randall, is here to join us.
I'm here, that's right. Okay, hi guys.
We're talking Father's Day.
So there's fathers in all of our lives, right?
That's right. And this can be for somebody special.
Yeah.
You know, somebody special. This is kind of elementary. This is for the kids to do.
Okay.
This is
Something
great.
So you'll be able to do it.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
So,
Oh, good. Okay. So this
I'm
is
kidding.
for me.
You probably
It's for
think,
me and people
great,
like
Evan.
me.
You're a father, right?
I am.
Okay,
Yes.
so-
I love to cook.
All
I
right.
love to cook. Yeah.
So this is just something cute. And I have the cupcakes here. I have brownies over here. That's kind of more the vessel.
Right.
But see, they're little cowboy hats.
That's so cute.
And you can eat them just plain, but you know, truthfully, I have some of these Sour Patch things, and you might not want to eat those on the potato chip. But anyway,
But so
it's
you're using
very
like
simple.
Pringles here,
so
right?
This is what we do. Yes, you're going to do a Pringles type chip. Pringles has like these little wavy ones now too.
Okay.
So you can use any type of chip like that. You know, you just want it to look like the cowboy hat.
Right.
So you
It's really
take
just
the
a
chip,
boat for the chocolate.
and let me exactly.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, chocolate chip dipped potato chips, if you've never had them, oh my gosh, they're
salty
so
and
good.
sweet?
Salty and sweet. Okay, so this is very simple. So you're going to take the chip, you're going to kind of dip it. Now, typically I have a little bit of a bigger, you want to make sure you have a slender, tall thing because you want to be able to dip the whole chip, but you can also just kind of
Brush it
smooth
on.
it around. Now you could do the top, you can do the back. Oh, usually it doesn't break. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So cover it up with chocolate. Go like that. And then you do, for the top of the hat, let me take that out of there.
Are you just doing
You're gonna
I knew
eat,
it.
I knew he was going to do that.
He's just hungry.
You're going to take a Rolo. That's the top of the cowboy hat. So you're going to just put a little bit of the chocolate on the Rolo. You're going to stick that onto the chip. You can also use gumdrops. You can use dots, anything like that.
Oh yeah, see,
so
this
then
one
you're
has the
going to take,
gumdrop.
yep. Then you're going to take the Twizzler. They come like this, you know, the little Twizzler pull-aparts.
Yeah.
And you just pull them apart, and then you're going to take it, wrap it around the Rolo, and you know, a lot of times the back of it's kind of hanging off just a little bit. So you can either,
Like a little
you
lasso.
can break it. Yeah, you can break it and make it less, or you can have it kind of going off like that. And then what's going to happen, of course, it's going to set. Now, if you don't want to do the chocolate, you can just take the chip, you can take the dots, you can take the Rolo, dip it in a little bit of white chocolate, and you stick it on there.
Okay.
Because, you know, sometimes the cowboy hats, they're cream. They're not, they're dark ones, there's cream ones.
And then,
then
so
I
that's
found
what this
these little,
is? This is white chocolate?
White chocolate, you just dip it, and again, you let it set. And I found these little like Sour Patch. These are really sour, so, you know, but, and then you.
Sorry, Dad.
What is the sour with the sweet
but, you
and
know,
the salty?
Like, yeah, that is a little like, no,
Next
maybe,
level.
but you know,
Okay.
some people might like it. All right, and again, all you're doing is you're using the chocolate as the glue. So, you know, you just kind of set that like that, and when that sets up, it'll dry and it'll be perfect. And then what happens is you don't have to make the cupcakes, you don't have to make the brownies, you can buy them, you could make them. I made the brownies, but you just, and then you set it on as a vessel, and it's so cute, and it's a fun little thing for the kids, and use your imagination. You can use any candy you want.
Oh, look how good that looks. I
Yeah,
love that
looks
right
awesome.
there.
And look how fun it seems for the kids.
That's so
Cool
neat.
stuff.
So fun.
Thank you, Danette. We appreciate that. Lee, what a great idea, right?
Don't worry, we'll bring you one.
I love it.